Hello, good morning, and welcome to today's morning report with me, Richard Ferry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. The European trading session has started fairly positively, and that's come off the back of a nice jump in S&P prices into the close. And that a couple of reasons for driving that move was, first of all, by the People's Bank of China introducing a bit more liquidity into the system, amounting to around $82 billion. But also news that there were reports that a journalist that's close to the FOMC, journalist called John Hilsenrath of the Wall Street Journal, he suggested that perhaps the FOMC wasn't going to be changing their wording on their statement that comes out tonight with the result of the FOMC meeting, and that dovish suggestion just pushed equity prices higher, but also put a bit more pressure on the dollar to the downside. So a slight bit of profit taking on the dollar index that we saw yesterday. That can be seen on this chart here. Slight decline there, but just overnight there's been a bit more settling of the dollar. The only real move has come in the sterling. Actually, sterling's been strengthening as a few polls that have come out in the last 24 hours have suggested that the no camp are still reasonably much in control of the referendum that actually is being held tomorrow on Thursday. But what we're seeing is, as I said, the dollar reasonably positive, apart from against sterling, and equity markets reasonably positive as well. So that's the outlook that we have into the session. You've got the Bank of England meeting minutes at 9:30 this morning. There's no real change expected on the 7-2 split after two of the MPC members voted to raise interest rates by 25 basis points last month. There's no expectation of any change to that. So we look forward to then the US inflation data at 1:30. Expectation of a slight decline in inflation back to 1.9%. Down from 2.0% last month. But then certainly the focus will be on the FOMC tonight. That's at 7 o'clock UK time in the evening. And as I said, expectation is just beginning to wane as to how the FOMC is going to word its statement. And much concentration will be given to that wording. And whether they remove the words considerable time when regarding the length of time that they are going to keep interest rates at record low levels, but we wait and see how that moves this evening. Anyway, my chart of the day is the Brent Crude, in fact, and Brent Crude had a big jump yesterday on the back of that Chinese news. In fact, commodity prices around the world did very well yesterday, but just slightly consolidating now. And as you can see on this chart, it's been in this downtrend channel for about 3 months now, and continues to make lower lows and lower highs within that trend channel. And it picked up off the low at 96.21. Yesterday, gapped higher at the open, but certainly the move is not really showing any signs of a major bottoming. It just looks like it's another chance to sell. It's still well within this trading band on the downtrend channel. You've still got this 21-day moving average, which performs the task of being an excellent basis of resistance. 100.78 on the upside there. So there is some slight move possible to the upside, but still, if you look at these momentum indicators, still very bearish. Just looks like any sort of rally is a chance to sell. There's no real sign that the bulls are regaining control here. So I think any sort of rebound you get into resistance with a selling opportunity and a sell signal should be given as a chance to get as a chance to sell once more. But that is the general outlook for the oil price. No real move to the upside, just still finding resistance, and I think anywhere around that in between 99 and 100 probably would be a decent area to be looking out for a selling opportunity today. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Brent Crude today, and whatever you're trading. So I wish you good luck, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.